Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to access an Excel file from Sharepoint using browser and as well as using your Excel directly. For the start, you open your browser, go to the Office 65 portal, which is the address is portal.office.com. You just open that link and then you can log in with an account of Avar, which in this case I'm going to use Anish at Avar, and then you need to enter the password of your user and log in. Once you logged in, you will be able to see all the recent file which has been placed on the shared document folder on the Sharepoint, which in this case timesheet 2018 is placed there for Cristiano and Kathleen to start maintaining it. You will also see the list of the other files which we recently added to the Sharepoint, like a Visio file or a OneNote file, or you can click show more here to see more recent file that we added. Even PowerPoint, everything would be stay there. Also you can pin it for yourself. So for example, if you pin this one, it would be in your pinned list. If you use some file frequently, you can pin it or unpin it from your list. There is also few other options. You need to get used to it. But for the start point, here is what we need to do. It's already all the file that is generated by us, by any of us, is shared between us. So you don't need to share it at all, because as a part of the Avar team, we all will be able to see the files placed on the Sharepoint. However, if you need to share it with the external users, you can press the share and send the link directly to them. Also, you can see all the apps here, like Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, and if you want to install the app on your machine, you can just download it from them. So here for the start, we click on this file to open it. It will open up the Excel file, the browser viewer, and you can see the Excel file that is for you to do. And also you can edit the workbook. You can edit it in Excel or you can edit in the browser. If you don't have Excel installed on your machine, you can use the edit in browser and directly make a change or amend any data or any content in that spreadsheet. And if you want to change, for example, here some text, you can just change it and it would automatically save. There is no save button here. You don't need to make a save. And then if you need to close it, just simply close it and it is saved. If it is not saved, it would prompt with the say the file hasn't been saved, you will lost your changes. So on that case, you better wait a little bit longer for a server to be updated. And of course, if you want to open the same file from between Excel, as I showed you before, you can just simply, instead of editing in browser, just edit it in your Excel, which that option can be found here. Edit in Excel. By pressing that, it would automatically open your Excel, of course. Sometimes some file you give this one, and then you just close the tab, and as you can see, it's already start my Excel here. And you can, of course, because it's a read only, when you click edit workbook, you will be able to view it only, or save and edit a copy of the file, or just wait a little longer because I had the file recently opened on the browser. So for the server to update it would take a little bit of while to update. And of course, if you don't want to even log in, sorry, if you don't even want to log into, sorry, if you even don't want to log into the SharePoint via the web browser, you can simply run your Excel file in your machine and open the file from within your Excel, which you can just open the file and simply here sorry, my machine is playing up a little bit. You can just click browse, or this is where all the data being saved. But once you open that document one time, it will be remain there, and you can find out where the source are. As long as it is on the AVAR Consulting shared document Excel, that means the file is cloud based. Or if it's on your desktop, or if it's on any of your network drive, you will be notified there. So we can click here, and of course you can open the Excel because I pinned it, and then I can see the list of only Excel files on my Excel. I hope this tutorial will help you to understand how the SharePoint and Excel file works on the SharePoint. Thank you for watching.